I ordered a monopod tripod so I don't make people dizzy when I make videos. So right now I just use a sewing machine top to hold that phone up. Well, I should have started the video when I first started working. I've been working about 15 minutes. Oops. Let me get my gloves on. I'll get back at it. Need to get it lower. Let me get it on a stool. Let's do another glove. I found this stool. That's pretty cool. Cool color, blonde. Someone knows what it came with. So let's put that right here. There we go. There's a bunch of machines back here. There's Tight, Sowmore. All right. Free. Beautiful. Really nice details. Some scratches on it. I hope if I get my hand out of the way. Free. Minnesota A. Yay! Just what I was looking for. To compare the bobbin case. And what do you know? Or the shuttle, I should say. It's missing the shuttle. Oh, I gotta wait for the next one. Oh, another Soltech. Soltech. We'll be going over these once I line them all up. I won't be working much longer. Oh, look at this beautiful machine. Beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna find out a lot of these sewing machine tables back here. Yeah, sewing machines in. So let's join the excitement. This hasn't been open in 107 years. And I'm going to be the first human to see it. Woo! In that long. Nothing jump out at me. Ooh. Oh, it's only hanging on one hinge. I should probably remove it. Is it broken? It's hanging on one hinge. Oh, that's such a cool machine. I'm going to take it out of this table. It's hanging on one screw. You gotta look right under the table, and there's these two little screws underneath your sewing machine that hold it to the table. You don't have to unscrew them all the way out. That is cool looking. Look at how clean. Oh, yes. For 100. Give up the plugs already. Oh. What's going on here? Okay, I gotta unplug it. It's a knee pedal, that's what it was. Oh my goodness. After 107 years, I finally found the white rotary I was looking for. I knew it was some kind of white or Kenmore by the plug it has. Wow, it's like flawless. You know what? Oh, it's so smooth. I'm taking this over. I'm taking this over for my sister. I'm gonna travel 400,000 miles to take it to my sister just to service it. This is what I do for my members. Then I'll drive it back another 500,000 miles because I'll take the detours. Woo! Woo! That's a beautiful machine. I can't believe, I didn't see a scratch on it. Of course, I'm not wearing my glasses. I might put my glasses on. I'm like, ooh, I got tired of walking tables over there, so they're starting to pile up over here outside your view. But what a beautiful another white. Look at this thing. It's a Grissner, I think. Sure looks like it feels like one. Oh, it's a Grissner. What model is this? 741? 5? Oh, go Gadget Eyes. 651. What a beautiful tank. Ooh, you're nice and shiny. Oh, man. I don't even want to stick you on the floor. So nice. It's like the weight of 2 sewing machines. Oh. We'll just put it up there for now. Yes! Yes! I was still getting so tired of empty tables. Oh. Well, what happens is, for transport, a lot of times I'll remove them. Unless they're like a little lighter like this one. Alright. Another one. This one, let me think about when it was. About 87 years this one has been stored. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, just like I remembered it back when I was a young lad. Woo! Just a little more dusty. Your typical Class 15 clone. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to attempt this without glasses. It'll be an incredible feat if he can do it. Oh my goodness. Am I on the screw? I don't know. Why did Singer have to make them darn screws so small? Kenmore liked them big fat screws. I like those ones. Alright, one down. I've determined, unless it's a fancy machine and a fancy table, the more tables, helps if you unplug it, the more machines and tables I can separate, the better off I am. I can see what machines I own. Hey, a typical Class 15 and it looks good. $100 machine when serviced on a good day when it's sunny. Well, I like Class 15s, not particularly the black one like that because that's too much like a Singer. I like the colorful ones, the bright colors. All right, yay! What was I just saying about the ones in the tables are light? How did breathe. Bend the knees. That felt by the weight 37.5 pounds. It feels like it was about 1940-ish machine. I'm gonna guess it's probably an old white, an old Kenmore. Ho 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 ho! After 89 years, did I call it or what? Did I call it or what? Did I call it another Grissner? Which one is this one? Oh, it's the Devil's Machine. The Devil's Machine. The devil himself made this. Yep. True story. Believe it if you will. If you don't believe it, that's okay too. It is model 666. You tell me who else made it. Who would, besides the devil, make a model number 666? Alright? And on top of that, the devil was real smart and made his cams red. Not just a regular red, but a bright red. Like fire. You think this one has a cam in it? I'm like, this machine will no longer hide. What are you doing? I guess I was wrong. Can I unplug it? Yes, I can. I gotta unplug it because it's all wired in crazy with this old style knee pedal. You guys know what I'm talking about. Oh, wow, them Grisners. Them Grisners. Ooh, they're tanks. So this is the devil's machine. And in the cam compartment, let's throw this table real quick. Oh, what did I call it? 40-something, whatever I said. That was pretty accurate. Someone taped the bobbin cover. There it is. Hello? The red cam. What number is it? It's number 2. Well, it's letter D. I shouldn't say number. Letter. Letter D. I see why it was taped. All right. There you have it. The devil himself. Oh. Oh. Come on, give up some more cams or something. I don't even know how safe those old. Something is. Oh well. I'll have Bob deal with that later. Uh-oh, we lost his treasures. Oh. I like doing videos on my phone instead of my camera because they can be longer. I can get ones on my camera longer too with a bigger memory stick. I just haven't done it. I can go 20 minutes with the one I have. Hey, fiddle bass. Fiddle bass. Add decals. Fiddle bass. See it? It's like the shape of a fiddle. Okay, I'm getting cramped in this corner here. We got a couple of white rotaries of different styles. Man, this corner's packed full of machines. This style of white rotary, beautiful, kind of plain decals. Running out of room here. What I might do is I might just bring them. I can get, maybe I can move this table, or I have to start my next row here, and I can start a row here. What we need here. Singer table has some paint or something on it. A lot of tables, that's going to make a lot of room. All right, something wrapped in plastic. Ward's? Willard. Elizabeth Kim. There you are, Elizabeth Kim. Has been serviced. You know how I know her name is Elizabeth Kim? Because of my brain power. My sister serviced this about 47 years ago, and I still remember her name is Elizabeth Kim. Oh, now that's just great brain power. I don't just know how I just figured out that name. I still remember that name. Look at that. It's all packaged up with look at free treasures in a bag, and wow. Wow. Made by brother, by the way. those that don't know. Wizard, made by Brother. Oh, at least I think this one is. I guess there could be other wizards, but Brother makes a wizard. Let's see. Yeah, huh? Why do I even question myself? It says Brother on the motor. Well, that's a service machine. And boy, how did it get stuck way under that table? Oh my goodness. We'll put this aside and we'll offer it for sale. Shrink wrap kept the dust off of it. Good to see you, Elizabeth. Oh, by the way, for those that don't know, I name all of my machines Elizabeth. Every single one of them in here is named Elizabeth. They just have different middle names. That's why I don't look stupid if I forget, hey, there's Elizabeth, there's Elizabeth, hey Elizabeth. You know what I'm saying? Make it easy. You know? Elizabeth Kim. Oh. Alright, now if I could just clear 1, 2, 3 tables out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14, 9, 21 machines, I'd be in business. I need a display table. I gotta. Good thing I'm the master of organizing. Oh. Obviously, when these were put in, there was a truckload or something going on, and you couldn't just. But now it's all here. I can organize it. Oh, beautiful! Look at the wow, the inlays or whatever you call it. That's pretty sweet. Any treasures? No treasures. Hello? A free? Is that what you are? You look like a free. Free! Westinghouse Electric. Wow, what a beautiful machine. Look at the decals. I don't know if you can see all that from that far away, but it's got beautiful decals. And the light got some rust on it. Ooh, it's real rough. Looks like it got special hinges for the back. I don't think I want to separate it from this table. I'm going to leave this one here because it looks like it might be special hinges for that particular machine. So we're going to use this for our tabletop. A Singer Red Eye. I'm going to stick it in the parts room. It's missing some parts and the decals are really bad. That Red Eye had a motor on it. I could salvage off of it. But I got too many good Red Eyes to be keeping that one. Alright, we got a, what is it called? Crinkled? Of course, missing the cover plate. Why are they always missing? Is it underneath there? No. Should I separate it from the base? I think I'll just leave it in the base. Leave it in the base. Oh boy. What am I going to do? I'm just going to set it down right here by my feet. We're ready to start a new row here, so I don't want to go too far with it. Here's another one of those whites I have. I got another one that's immaculate. This looks just like this one. This one has a few scratches. Still cool. Got the original foot pedal. Doesn't quite match. But I know it's original because the other pedal has the same exact foot pedal that doesn't quite match. But it's original. What do we got here? A Singer, a stylist. A stylist. Somewhere in here I'm going to make another walkthrough so you don't have to walk around all the time. Alright, what else we got here? We got one in a case. We're calling the ones in a case a mystery machine. Then we'll go through all the mystery machines later. Boy, I got a lot of free Westinghouse, huh? Got the crazy motor, the lights all crazy. It's hard to keep up with parts on those. Parts requests on those. Oh, we got the old style white. What is that, a VF something? I don't know, I can't keep track. The old style white long bobbins. We got a requested part rattling around in my pocket. Kenmore! Woohoo! Beautiful. Let's take this one and sell it. It's really, really light. I've had some requests for complete Kenmores. This one's not too heavy. Let's take a look. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that paint. Nice. Oh, wow. People like this model. An 1802. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Everything looking good. Nice and clean. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you could use some oil. Oh, nothing's broken. Spool pin, everything's good. All right, this is going over to my sister's. It's not real heavy, so I can ship this pen out. It's not real heavy. "22 minutes. Cool. I think people are sticking around. It's exciting enough. I have members stick around and watch what's going on. Look at that. Beautiful. Kind of tight there. All I got is 2 tables to move here. Oh, it's hard to tell if it's empty or not because it's like a desk style. Sure is heavy. Oh. Oh man. Muscle Man rips plastic with his bare hands, but with gloves on. Oh, I say that because someone commented, your bare hands look red. Oh, plastic wins. I think I just used up all my strength. I don't know how you all feel unwrapping one of my packages now. Oh, is there anything in this machine? Oh my goodness. Hello. It's a super lightweight machine. 306. We're going to pull that 306 out of that heavy tank of a table. Anybody want a 306? Anybody? One downside is they use short needles. I can't remember. It's either the K or the W. One, you can use a replacement bobbin that will allow long needles. It only works on one not the other, and I can't remember which one's which. I got that info from a member that bought one of those replacement bobbin cases, and she said it didn't work on hers. I want to say hers was a K. Oh my goodness, it's so light. Woo, woo, it's so light. All the weight's in the machine. Or in the table. All the weight's in the table is what I meant to say. Maybe the drawers are full of stuff. How nice would that be? It has one of the metal quick release levers things. That's a couple pounds. It's definitely lighter. Let's see. Oh, I can't believe I can't cut that. I did bring a pair of scissors. Just all out of strength. All right. There are treasures, yay! And they're heavy. That's it. Oh, the hidden drawer. Yes. 306 bobbins. Yay! Hey, we got some flat cans. I'm gonna take this stuff upstairs. No sense of leaving it down here. Let someone use those flat cans. I don't get enough of them. And these original bobbins, I haven't seen one in a while. I forget what they look like, because they sell fast. There's a 306 buck counter. I'll take it upstairs, repair it, because it's rough. Might as well take it all out, because there's nothing in this table now. This whole bag is just attachments and stuff. Cool. That took some weight off. Got the book, everything for the 306. That's about 3-pound bag right there. Get that out of that table. It's heavy enough as it is. Now how can I get it? They were smart enough to put like a notch for a handle on the one side. Oh my goodness. You're still heavy. They must have used real wood on that one. Oh no. We're going to always take the shrink wrap off. I'm seeing in some cases, leaving it on is not good. It's not giving you air. Yay, another table. Just what I wanted. Just what I wanted, another table. Yay! Alright, I'm tired. Anyways, I got way back here. I'll start another row. Probably, I really don't need to get the back side of this. So I'll just line it up right along this cart here. And don't worry about getting to the back side. I can access it to the front. Oh, wait a minute. I can give it a little bit, because this row it needs to come out this way a little bit. Although I could put a few machines right there too. Alright, well, I'm going to end this because I'm tired. I think what I'll do is I'll show you what we did so far, without making you dizzy. I'm not sure where we ended off, but we'll just pan over them. I'm not going to name them because I can't see. Let's zoom in. Instead of bending over, I'll zoom in. Rycar, I can name the ones I could see. Minnesota, Soulmore. We got a Singer, Stylist, Soltex. I think that says Imperial. We found a Franklin. Some of those from the other day. We got mystery machines over here in cases. I gotta check because I got a couple of requests for full Kenmore machines, so it's nice to see a couple over here. And then we started, all this is from today. We found a domestic, a Franklin, Majestic. And there's that Grisner 666. What is that one? I don't know the name of that. I should know. That decal there on that one. And then we got the white rotary. And what's this last one? Another Singer. I don't know if that's it's a long bobbin. Okay. And then we accumulated. Oh, we gotta zoom back up. All these sewing machines. But we're gonna take them all to the other side, which was once, for one summer, the showroom. But the showroom is turning into the storage room, as I'm making way for possibly 1,000 more machines. I got a quick peek at them today on a short video, and it looks like most of the machines are just the heads with no tables. Like I need more tables, so that's good. It'll make the job a lot easier. I determined it'll take 3 26-foot truck trips, or I would have to rent a semi-truck. This is all pending whether the price is even affordable or not. Think about it, 1,000 machines. 1,000, how much do they want? 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000? But I think they're mostly parts machines. That's gonna keep the price a little bit lower, which is fine with me. That's what I'm looking for. So we got back here. Let's see what we have. Capital Deluxe, Morse, a Singer Blackside, a FAF 230. Is that a 192? I'm not sure. Not a 192. Oh, that's probably a. Is that a through? I don't know what that is. What is that? Might be able to see it later. Can't see it now. 237, a pair of them. This one's halfway off the table. A lot of members like the 237s. They have the issue with these sometimes breaking. We got a white Mercury domestic, a pair of Sister New Homes. That case goes to the something back there. It looks like that domestic Singer. There's that beautiful white we saw the other day. Look at this beautiful white. That's going to go to my sister's to be serviced. And we're going to remove all these tables, or all these machines, and start making that row. Making that row right here next to this one. We're going to clear this area. And then as soon as we get to this tables here, we'll start clearing this. And so on. And hopefully, when we're all done, it's going to create a lot of room. That's what I'm hoping. And hopefully, we'll even see. I might even move those treadle machines from out front back this way somewhere and make the front available for new incoming. Because if I hire help, the shorter walk they have to make, the better. Look at all these guys. Jeez. Tables is what takes up a lot of room. I wish I had a showroom, another building where I could take all these nice, I would be happy to have a showroom with just treadle machines. Nothing with tails, just the ones without tails. That's what I would like. But look at all that. Where can I put them? If I can clear enough of this back there, and these are kind of taking up a lot of spaces because I had them displayed for a couple of years for members to check out, and all the tables are opened. Now if I start getting rid of some of these tables and just setting the machine on the floor, I think I'll be making a lot of room. Because 1,000 machines will take up a lot of floor space. Right now, they got them stacked. They got wood between them, and they're stacked like 3 high. That's how they're storing them. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more to come. Enjoy the day.